Understanding the last stage, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, the last stage. This phrase is commonly used in both everyday and professional contexts, so understanding it can really enhance your English skills. Let's dive in. The last stage refers to the final part of a process, event, or period. It signifies the end of a series of stages or steps. This phrase is often used to describe the concluding phase of something, whether it be a project, a life event, or a period of time. For example, in a project, we are in the last stage of development before the product launch. In life events, he is in the last stage of his university studies. 2.1 in projects and work. In work or project management, the last stage often involves finalizing, reviewing, or wrapping up tasks. It's a critical phase where the outcomes are polished and prepared for delivery or conclusion. 2.2 in personal and life events. In personal contexts, this phrase can describe the final part of significant life events or experiences, like education, a journey, or even a personal challenge. 2.3 in literature and storytelling. In literature or storytelling, the last stage might refer to the climax or resolution of a story, where the narrative reaches its peak or conclusion. Beware of confusing the last stage with the latest stage. The latter implies the most recent stage, not necessarily the final one. It's important to distinguish between these phrases to convey the correct meaning. Let's practice. Here are a few sentences. Try to determine if they correctly use the last stage. 1. We're in the last stage of our vacation, visiting the beaches. 2. I just reached the latest stage in the game. The first sentence uses the phrase correctly, while the second should use latest stage if referring to a recent development, not the final one. That's all for today's lesson on the last stage. Remember, this phrase is key in describing the final part of a process or event. We hope this video helps you use it confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.